after the tingle here, you're gonna put some hot water. Tiny bit of hot water. See this nice colorful veggies here. Pumpkin, potatoes, zucchini, fresh beans, long beans that I remove, naked beans, remove skin on. Yeah, zucchini and these beans here, chickpeas, garbanzos, chickpeas, lentils, and more beans, red beans. Oh, yum. Some more salt here. Maybe a tiny bit of water. That's it. And then put some bit of salt. Salt like doesn't want to give me salt. And then boil in 5 minutes and then simmer them until it's nice and soft. The zucchini, the potato and zucchini and rest. It's made good. And then later on, before I finish, I'm gonna put some okra and then some green veggies, mulakaya, and some stuff. And nice herbs here with salt. Tomato. Thank you, may palangga kong for helping here. The celery, organic, I planted it last few months back, and finally we harvest that one, and it smells so good. So all these greens here in the yard, lettuces, this malabar, this spinach or Egyptian spinach, this and malunggay, and this one I'm gonna chop them and then add flavor to our veggies. Now we're gonna put some lid on them. Oh, we're gonna put it low now. Number 2.
What to put it is
Yeah, we're gonna get him on. We got too many people in the kitchen, you feel like confused. Alright, yummy. Cheers. It smells so good already here. Oh,